It's back. It's back. It's back. It's back. It's back. What's good, y'all? I am back with another video, a whining video. For those of y'all who don't know, I'm Amanda Fallon. I am an artist as well as a Caribbean dance fitness instructor. So today I am going to address those questions that y'all want to know, those frequently asked questions, the things y'all put under my comments and my DMs in person. I got y'all. It's my job to clarify, so I got y'all. We ain't even gonna trip. I ain't even gonna do a long intro because y'all be cursing me out for my long intro. So we gonna get right into it after I tell y'all about these wind-up shorts. Y'all, I get so many questions about these shorts, and I know I spoke on it before, but I've been working on just getting everything right as far as merch. I don't want to just drop one thing and not have it in abundance so that I can give it out to y'all, right? They will be back very, very soon. Make sure you are following me. I am Amanda Fallon. Make sure you're following Whine at wine.m. I'm gonna have it up on the screen, but make sure y'all following me, okay? Make sure y'all following me and my business page so that y'all can stay updated with all the amazing things that is coming up for myself with music and for Whine. All right, so the first, it's not really a question, but the first thing y'all said, or the most stated thing, is about y'all knees, y'all styling knees, right? I made a video, and I'm gonna link it right here, or like put a little snippet. I made a video about ways to strengthen your legs, your knees, and ways to get more flexibility. Go check that out. That is the most, I guess, conventional way to strengthen your legs, you know, by doing some workouts and doing some stretches. But the other best way is practice. Y'all have to practice. You won't be able to get it on your first try if it's not something that you normally do. If it's not something that you know, if it doesn't come naturally, if you didn't start at 3 years old like myself, you gotta practice. You gotta think about all the years of practice that I have, which is why I make it look so easy. It's practice. That is like the key. And going back to my first video that I put out, the 3 things, please keep this in mind, y'all. Please, please, please. 1, mind-body connection. You have to be connected. You have to be connected while whining. Like, it's a very sensual experience. The movement is very divine, right? So you have to have that mind-body connection. 2, confidence. Once you're confident in yourself, a lot of people that whine, or a lot of people that take my classes and stuff like that, they always say they can't do it, and they always say like, oh, I look stupid, or whatever the case may be. No, we scratching all of that. Confidence. You need to be confident while you're doing this type of movement, or it's gonna show. You're gonna look awkward. You're gonna look like, you know, you don't really know what you're doing, and that's not what we want. We want confidence. And 3, like I said, practice. Practice makes perfect. So the more you practice, the more you watch this video, the more you work on it, you will see results. So if you have a chair, this is the time to grab one. This chair is going to help you balance. So a lot of the times people struggle with going low because they don't have the strength. So you can use the chair as support for balance and to kind of, you know, put a little weight on it. But you know, my pup, say hi, Vibe. He just wanted to say hi to y'all real quick. All right, so let's get into it. So hold on to the chair, you know, have it a little distance apart from you so that you don't fall, but start to take it down nice and slow. Excuse him. But yep, just go slowly up and down. So I'm gonna show y'all again, but this time I'm trying to show y'all my feet a little bit. So just take it down, wind down, and as you're winding down, just, you know, move your hands up and down the chair to give you that balance. Somebody said their waistline is not as flexible, and again, having a flexible waistline is really being flexible all throughout. So check out that video. I got you. Okay, so another question is, so is it like doing the hula hoop motion, or am I just really off? You're not really off. You actually have the right idea. So here I'm doing the hula hoop. I'm exaggerating a little bit, but I'm just showing you the difference. Like when you're hula hooping, your knees aren't as bent as it is when you're whining, and you aren't pelting your waist as much, right? So you got to really focus on that waist, focus on that pelvis. So we're going to do front, back, side, side. I mean front, side, back, side, right? So those are the points you're hitting when you're whining. So take it around nice and smoothly, and that is your whine. So you'll see me just, you know, going over it a few times. So if you're watching, get up and try it with me. Show you, baby, I can show out. You didn't know, guess you know now. Let me put it down, 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 down. Let me put it down on you. Let me put it down on you. Let me put it down. I'ma put it down, 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 down. Baby, I'ma put it down on you. I'ma put it down on you. When I talk heavy, told him I love it when he in my belly. Deep down in it, now he's soaking wet, make him fucking drown in it. Take a breather, push his head back down in it. Won't let you tap out, boy, you supposed to act out. So this was another one, TikTok. I need to learn how to stop and start like ticking. So TikTok is one that people do tend to struggle with just because it's isolation. So with whining, it's very smooth. But then ticking is all about isolating. So we're gonna do the front side, back side again, which is the isolation, right? That's the TikTok right there, your front side, back side. And then once you put it together and you speed it up a little bit, you got your TikTok. So that is standing up. So now we're going to put our hands to our knees and we're just going to isolate side to side, side, side. So you're dropping your hip and your knees are going to the front. So we're going to speed that up a little bit. So now we're going to add the full TikTok. So up, side, down, side, up, side, down, side, up, side, down, side. So you see that square that you're making with your bottom, right? So now I'm going to just show you it a little closer. Up, side, down, side. Up, side, down, side. And you just continue to do that. So again, I'm just really slowing it down and trying to give y'all every angle as possible. So I'm hoping that this really helps. Price going up, nigga, give me my receipts. I ain't taking no shorts. This is what it looks like sped up. And it's a lot of us. See all of these little bitches try to follow us. Setting trends and corny bitches try to follow up. But we winning, so that shit. Now from the front, I'm doing the same thing. Up, side, down, side. You can kind of see it better from the front, what your knees are doing, what your hips are doing. So yep, just keep that same ticking motion. Okay, so this is another good one. The question is, so do you remain flat-footed while whining or on your toes? So both. When I'm standing up, I'm flat-footed. Even when my hands are on my knees, for the most part, I'm flat-footed, but depending on how I feel, I might lift my feet. But when I'm low, it's definitely toes. So let me show you. So here, this is how I start whining. My feet are flat. And then once I get a little lower, you'll start to see my heels lift up. And my heels lifting up, you know, is just giving me that extra balance. Feeling the vibe is so light as I came through the party. Oh yeah. The music was hype, it was right at me shaking my body. Oh yeah. I saw you walking across the room, I can tell that you want me. And here I am from the front. So right here is me showing you on my toes throughout the whole entire wind down, right? So you can do it either way, but when you get low, stay on your toes. If you really with it, baby, show me some. You can come and get it, baby, bring it on. I need you to listen to me now. Baby, if you give it to me. All right, so the next question, I need more tips and tricks to whine on sitting on the heels and sitting on the floor. So another friendly trick or tip for getting low and whining low is grabbing a wall. Grab that wall and that wall will help you balance. It will help you stay there, right? So I didn't show it here, but if you aren't as flexible and you aren't able to sit on your heels, try to grab some small pillows or something and put it underneath your calves and your thighs and try to gain that flexibility. And as y'all can see, 5 is all throughout this video. He would not let me live. So yeah, enjoy. This is another good one. Is there anything for men? But this was helpful too. I'm glad it was helpful. But men, yes. Caribbean men are known to whine. I'm going to drop a video right here. You can use the same tips and tricks as far as, you know, just the waistline. I don't know if you want to get into the popping and the juking and all that, but as far as whining, you can use these same tips and tricks. Okay, this one I love. I feel like I can't whine because of my weight. Any tips? The first tip is that is all in your mind. Do not allow your weight to stop you from whining. There are small, large, tall, skinny, whatever, people that can whine like nobody's business, right? So don't allow yourself to feel like because of your weight, it won't look good. Here's another one I love, love, love. Linda Brown, shout out to you. She says, literally learning to do this to strengthen my lower back and flexibility. I'm going to be 70 years old and willing to try anything to get healthier. Thank you for making this so comfortable to learn. Thank you so much. I like that. Makes me happy. This is what I do it for. And again, this shows you that it doesn't matter your age. It doesn't matter. Like, none of those things matter. As long as you are willing to get up and move and learn, you're capable, right? So Linda, shout out to you. Thank you for watching and thank you for leaving that comment. I hope this was helpful. Thank y'all again for watching. Leave some comments on what y'all would like to see next.